we'll guide you through how to add a YouTube video in Notion. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin this tutorial, open your preferred web browser and navigate directly to the YouTube website. Use the top search bar to find a specific video tutorial, music video, or vlog that you truly want to embed. Click directly on the chosen video thumbnail so the media begins playing right on your screen. Look just below the video player title and find the curved arrow icon labeled Share. Click the Share button to open a completely new pop-up window securely containing the exact video sharing options. Safely click the highly prominent Copy button, securely located right next to the uniquely shortened YouTube URL link. Now that the specific link is safely saved directly to your computer clipboard, smoothly switch your active browser tab completely over to the standard Notion web app. Safely press Login and successfully enter your personal credentials to flawlessly access the main Notion application. Smoothly navigate directly to the left-hand sidebar of your active Notion interface. Securely click the plus Add a Page button and carefully choose the Empty Page option. On the top header, let us safely change the active title absolutely first. For a clear example today, I will creatively name this brand new page How to Add YouTube Video in Notion. Safely click perfectly on an empty line safely inside your active workspace to successfully create a totally new, highly active block cursor. Carefully type the standard / key directly on your active computer keyboard to successfully bring up the standard Notion commands menu. Accurately type the specific word video perfectly into the command search bar and smoothly click the video block option completely from the filtered list. A standard gray menu box will instantly appear. Make absolutely sure you are safely on the Embed Link tab. Firmly click exactly inside the completely empty text box, securely right-click, and successfully select Paste to flawlessly drop your safely copied YouTube link. Accurately click the bright blue Embed Video button, securely located just below the text box. Instantly, a fully functional YouTube player will completely generate right inside your document. You can absolutely now successfully use the side handles to completely adjust the active size, and you can easily watch the entire YouTube video without ever leaving your Notion workspace today.